pepperoni pizza spring rolls here at Disney's California Adventure for $7.
Dipping sauce here.
Good. We see the harness. We're in the Avengers Campus trying to find the queue for web slingers. It's right here.
Holy cow.
We're in line for web slingers now. We just have to have our virtual queue boarding pass scanned so that we can enter the actual queue. But so far, this is all we can see of Avengers Academy or Campus. I don't know what it's called. I'm not an Avengers fan, don't hate me. And there you have Guardians of the Galaxy, which used to be Tower of Terror TBT. And we're headed inside. How many?
And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech. Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
This is awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's all.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Sharon. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. We'll sure be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here now.
You made it. Great. Threat levels are exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicle.
Already on.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up the stuff.
It's my locker. We're almost there. And what's the time been?
I stopped once we got in the lobby because I thought we were done.
Oh no!
So when we got into the pre-show area,
it's been almost an hour. Let me see. Hold on. Look, that's the empty one over there.
I'm glad to see you guys.
Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
That was also your idea.
let's go.
Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and
You're welcome. Welcome to your VIP tour. Not the VIP tour I wish I was on.
Hey, you two keep it down over there. No, just so we consider it. According to them, you're not rude. You're a floral philosopher. Don't listen to him. You are.
25 minutes, posted at 65. Here we go again. Over here at the elevator. So we got off Guardians of the Galaxy right after Web Slingers. And my opinion on Web Slingers is that it's like Spider-Man mixed with Toy Story Mania. Guardians of the Galaxy, that was really cool. I really liked it. I kind of liked it better. I'm not like a drop person, but I liked that there was more drops on it than
I didn't.
the tower. You didn't like it?
I thought it was a little excessive. I was like, all right.
I thought it was fun.
I thought it was fun too.
And the music was really cool too. So I liked it. I thought it was really nice. We're actually leaving California Adventure now. We're gonna go to downtown Disney. Are we going the wrong way? This way.
Where do we get out?
We're gonna go to downtown Disney for a little bit and then go back to the hotel. Just to, I guess, freshen up and rest our feet because my feet are dying. And then come back here for like an hour or two. And then that's it. I'm on the hunt for a new Loungefly. And this one is kind of adorable. Do I need it? No. But if I see that Winnie the Pooh one, I'm gonna get it. We're back and we're refreshed.
We are.
We're back in California Adventure. It's at Hollywood Studios.
Hey, this is the Hollywood Studios section of California Adventure.
Oh, that's true, that's true,
Right.
that's true, that's true. We're going on Monsters Inc. now. We were trying to get on this before we left and went back to the hotel.
Pero it was closed.
It's just closed, but it's open now.
Yes.
So we go.
Yes.
We go see Mike and Sully. Wow.
Hello, Disney.
Magic. We got a little, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Pass.
It's a buddy pass.
Yes.
This pass allows 2 guests to enter through the buddy pass queue.
Oh, it is nice outside.
Perfect. Oh, wait. 30 minutes, but it's 58 seconds. Okay. Buddy pass guests must meet all boarding requirements. Representing requests may not be accommodated subject to availability. Enjoy your trip through Monstropolis.
Can't wait.
Ready? Keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the vehicle and on front.
Thank you.
While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Smokey Mo.
Oh, googly bear.
Up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathy.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home. There's a kid here! A human kid!
In the restaurant.
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Trying to understand.
Come on, this way!
Perimeter is under observation.
Got unit in position.
Turn out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have our paperwork, number
1. Nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up.
That's what she's thinking.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Take that.
We're decontaminating. Sorry, lady. We have to do this for your own good.
Where's Rod? Oh, there she
We
is.
can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to the 2319 offer and were able to see where we needed.
And we're back at Pixar Pier. Holy crap, I didn't notice the light on there for the eye. That's so cute.
Look at that.
That's so cute. We're here to ride that bad boy again and try to get front row because somebody had one job of recording on the GoPro when we sat in front row and didn't record it. And he was holding the GoPro the entire time thinking it was recording it and he didn't even check.
Keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem, darling.
The baby is gone.
I'm recording.
3, 2, 1, go!
Such a good ride. Oh!
What's that?
Mickey bar.
You didn't get one yesterday in Disneyland, so here's your redemption.
And I didn't get one in Animal Kingdom the last trip like I normally do.
Yeah, well, let's not remind the people that you forgot about your tradition. It looks hard. And that's a wrap for our trip to the Disneyland Resort here in California. We just left California Adventure. We're heading down to Disney Springs, just gonna hang out, get some drinks with some relatives. And that's it. And then we go home tomorrow.
Yep.
So I'm sad.
Our long journey has come to an end.
Yep. our amazing journey in Hawaii. And then from Hawaii we came here and had a great 2 days in Disneyland, which is over there, and DCA
over there.
And that's it. So stay tuned for more Disney vlogs because we're about to come back. Not here, but we'll be back in Disney World in September and October. So until then, see you guys. Say bye, Ryan.
Bye, Ryan.